Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about how launched Linux server your make as web server, your make as web server using cloud init script, using cloud init script. Okay. So for that, what is cloud init script? Cloud init script allows us to write and put a startup script while launching a virtual machine instance so that it execute automatically as soon as the instance is launched. When the instance is launched, whatever you are given the steps, whatever you are written, that will be executed automatically as soon as your instance will be launched. That is the benefit only. Okay. Now, for that, what are the steps we have to follow? What are the steps we had to follow? I had to open my Azure account, go to the virtual machine. Already I am creating the resource group. US 102 resource group I am creating. Now I am launch the virtual machine. Click on virtual machine. I want to create one Linux virtual machine. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? Click on create option, Azure virtual machine. Click on this. Here, we had to click on subscription is pay as you go. Resource group US 102. Virtual machine name I am given as Linux server 102 I am given. 102 I am given. Reason is Central India. Availability zone I am selecting default one, zone 1. Security group default I am selecting. Virtual machine architecture 64. Size B1 is, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory is providing. Okay. Now this time I am using authentication type. Password I am given. I am given the username, my name I am given. Password I am given. Whatever you are entered the password, we had to confirm that password. Okay. Now, your launch the Linux machine. You had to select SSH. Your launch the Linux machine means SSH port number is 22. Now your make as web server. For that, we need to enable HTTP also. We can put the tick mark here, HTTP. Or after launching also, we can enable the port number. No problem at all. Now I am enable the port number is HTTP. Okay. Two it is enabled. One is SSH, second one is HTTP. Okay. Click on disks option and then click on networking option. Scroll down, click on management, click on monitoring. I'm not selecting those one. Default as it is I am selecting. Step by step I am introducing. Now click on advanced option. Here in advanced, here I have mentioned the script. This is the code I have mentioned. Okay, just I have to copy this. And here I need to paste it. I'm written the script hash bin slash bash sudo apt hyphen get update and sudo apt hyphen get install that web server nginx, right? And we move to the default directory and then we had to use the index.html using echo. I am written Azure training. Okay, those I am written in the code. Where I have to paste it in advanced. In advanced custom data, I am pasting those comments. Okay. Click on tags option. I'm not given any tags. Click on review plus create. And then click on create option. Linux mission is created. It is in progress. Deployment in progress. Wait for few minutes. It's in progress. Okay. Okay. Now see that. Go to the virtual machine. What the virtual machine name I am given? Linux server 102. Click on this. We have to copy and paste the public IPv4. Paste it in the notepad. Okay. Fine. Now I'm not downloading for private key authentication purpose PEM file format. I'm given the password. That's why I'm directly connecting using Putty software. No need to convert PEM file format to PPK format. I'm using the password for authentication purpose. Now I am using Putty software. Click on this. You have to copy and paste public IPv4. This one, host name or IP address. Now in the left side, under SSH authentication, we have to choose it. Click on credential. Here we have to click on open. Click on accept. Here just wait, I am changing the appearance. Change settings. Appearance, change 22 I am given. Okay, apply. Now I'm given login as my name I am given. Why? Because to launch the virtual machine, I'm given the name is my name I am given. Click on enter. Now it is asking the password. That is whatever the password I am entered while launch the instant, that password we have to enter. This is the password I am entered. Click on enter. See, now it is connected. Linux virtual machine is connected. Okay. Now open the Azure portal. You have to copy this Linux server public IPv4, paste it in the browser. See, you are getting Azure training. That is, I'm not written any scripts. That is in advanced, I'm written the script. I'm written the script. That is the advantage. That is cloud init script allows us to write and put a startup script while launch a virtual machine instant so that it execute automatically as soon as the instance is launched. Okay. Those are the steps we have to follow how the launched Linux server make as web server. The two ways I am representing how the launched Linux server you make as a web server. First, the normal method. Second, I am representing using cloud init script. That is in advanced step, we have to write the script. That is, if you are writing the script in advanced custom data, whenever you are launch the instant, automatically it is executing the commands. That's why after completion, you are connect the Linux server, you copy and paste the public IPv4 in the browser, then it is display the message. Azure training is displayed. So those are the steps we have to follow how the launched Linux server you are make as a web server. Okay. So after completion of your work, then we have to delete this one. You are the student for practicing after completion of your after completion of your work, then we can delete everything. Select the virtual machine, go for delete option. Here we have to type delete option. Click on delete. Click on delete. Okay. Similarly, this one is also there. Click on this one, delete, type delete option, delete. Click on delete. It is deleting. It's taking time, 1 or 2 minutes. From the data center, it is deleting that virtual machine. You are deleting the virtual machine means you are getting some error. That is, we are getting the error we are getting. It is closed automatically also. Otherwise, you can close this one. Exit. Okay. It is deleted the virtual machines from the Azure portal. See that in virtual machine, there is no virtual machines that just refresh this browser. It's taking time. Now it is deleted. See that from Azure data center, it is deleting the server. That's why it is taking some time. And to launch your Linux server, you are creating the resource group. Go to the resource group. That resource group also you can delete it. Otherwise, you are getting a bill. US 102 resource group you are creating. Click on this one. Here, delete resource group option is there. Copy this resource group, paste it here. Click on delete. Click on delete. Resource group 102 is deleted. It is in progress. See here. It's taking time. To delete a resource group from Azure data center, it's taking the time. 1 or 2 minutes time is taking. And also, one default resource group is also created. See that? That is network watcher. This one also you can delete it. You are not deleting this one, you are getting bill. Click on delete resource group. Copy this resource group name and paste it here. Click on delete. Click on delete. Deleting resource group. The resource group name is network watcher RG. It is in progress. Once it is deleted, then we can close your Azure account. Okay. Those are the steps we have to follow. How launched Linux server you make as web server, and then how we have to delete those steps I have to explain with hands on. Okay. Thank you.